You're welcome to another video. Today we have an amazing index equation where we're told to solve for the value of x, given that 9 raised to x is equals to 108. It looks a bit simple, but I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution, where we're going to find the value of x, and if possible we're going to verify it. And if you're watching us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, leave a comment, and remember to turn your notification on. So quickly let us dive into the solution. So we have 9 raised to x is equals to 108. So the first approach that I'm going to use is, how do I drop this power x? I'm going to recall again that wherever I have a number a raised to power b is equals to c, then dropping this b, I'm going to introduce the logs on both sides so that I have the log of a raised to b is equals to c, and this is going to be dropped as b to the log of a is equals to c. So it goes without saying that I'm going to introduce the logs here so that I have the log of 9 raised to x is equals to the log of 108. Meaning that at this stage, I'm going to drop x so that it comes to the x to the log of 9 is equals to the log or the natural log of 108. So it is now very clear that for me to remain with x, I'm going to divide all through by the log of 9. The log of 9. So that on my left hand side, I'm going to remain with x now is equals to the log of 108 divided by the log of 9. So at this stage, or the next stage that I'm going to do, I'm going to write 108 in terms of its factors. I know 108 can be written as 27 times 4, which can be further simplified as 3 raised to power 3 times 2 squared, and 9 can be written again as 3 squared. So I'm going to factor in all this here so that I have the value of x now becomes the log of, so instead of writing 27, I'm going to write it as 3 power 3 multiplied by 2 squared over the log of 3 squared. This is cubed, this is squared. So I'm going to put their bracket like that. And you're going to recall again that wherever you are multiplying the log of two products, a and b, then this can be simplified as the log of a plus the log of b. So meaning at this particular point, I'm going to separate this as x is equals to the log of 3 squared, 3 cubic, plus the log of 2 squared. Remember, down I have the log of 3 squared. Solving it further, I'm going to have x now becomes, this 3 can come down using this relationship so that I have 3 to the log of 3 plus 2 to the log of 2 And then I'm going to separate to be, since they have a single denominator, it can be separated as each having that denominator like that, 2 to the log of 3. This comes here as that. So it goes without saying that for me to have x, I'm going to cancel this and this, so that I have x now becomes 3 over 2 plus, on this side, what I can cancel is this 2 can go with that 2, so that I remain with the log of 2 divided by the log of 3. So well, this can also be expressed as, if you're going to recall again, that wherever you have the log of A divided by the log of B, this can be written as the log of A to the base of B. So I'm going to write that in that form, so that I have the value of x now as 3 over 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 3, using that approach. And that becomes the actual value of x for my problem. 9 raised to x is equals to 108. So we're going to quickly go and verify if indeed, if we substitute x as 3 over 2 plus the log of 2 base 3 at this particular point, then the output is going to be 108. So if you're still watching us, kindly like this video. You're going to share it again. Leave a comment. So let us go and verify. Wherever I have x, I'm going to replace 3 over 2 plus the log of 2 to the base of 3 should give me 108. When I add the powers, I'm going to separate this by multiplying the bases. So 9 to the log of 2 to the base of 3 should give me 108. So well, for me to further simplify it, I'm going to write 9 as 3 squared, so that I have 3 squared. But outside I'm going to have 3 over 2 times here I have 3 squared to the log of 2 to the base of 3 should be equals to 108. So I can go further by opening the bracket. Remember, this is bracket and their powers are being multiplied, so these 2 and these 2 are going to cancel, so that I have 3 to power 3 multiplied by, if I open this bracket, I'm going to have 2 to the log of 2 base 3 is equals to 108. To simplify it further, these 2 can come up, so that I have 3 to the power of 3 times 3 to the log of 2 squared to the base of 3 should give me 108. I know 3 raised to 3 is 27. 3 cubed is 27. And then you also need to recall again that wherever you have a to the log of b base a, this automatically is equals to b, since the bases are the same. So applying it here, I'm going to have 3 is the base, and the base is also here. So that means I'm going to remain with 2 squared, which should give me 108. Of course, it's going to give me 27 times 4, which actually gives me 108. So it is 108 is equals to 108 as our solution to this. We're going to meet again In the next video, we have taken you through step by step up to the verification point. So kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, and most importantly, leave a comment.